In front of me is OnePlus Pad 2 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Begin by selecting an app you wish to use in this view and launching it. When you're ready, click on those three dots at the top and select Floating Window in the pop-up. As you can see now, I can use my app in this little window. To move it around, hold the same three dots and drag it. To scale it, hold one of its corners and drag it as well. Using the same three dots, you can also tap on full screen to use your app in full screen view. You can click on split view, select a second app you wish to use, and operating both. You can click on minimalize to turn your app into a bubble and then access it by tapping on the bubble. Or click on close to close your window completely. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!